Hello and welcome back to another great video. Today we will be making Wingstop garlic Parmesan wings, and this is a recipe from copycat.com. These wings are definitely a winner in my book, and I am happy to present this to you today. Now let's get into this video. Aside from cooking oil, this recipe calls for butter, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, ground black pepper, paprika, seasoned salt, parsley flakes are optional, flour, and of course, chicken wings. I have 6 extra large wings, just enough for this delicious sauce, but if your wings are smaller, you'll be able to do about 12. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you want to blend together the flour, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, and ground black pepper. Now once all that's blended together, you want to coat your chicken in that flour with those delicious spices. Now once your oil has reached 350 degrees, you then want to place the chicken in that oil, and you let that fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally or flipping just to make sure that they cook evenly. Once those wings are browned, you want to place it on the baking sheet, and then you want to pop that in the oven until they are thoroughly cooked. I cooked mine for about 20 minutes. I wanted mine nice and tender. And see, look, this is how they came out. Look at them, they're so beautiful. While those wings were baking in the oven, I was over here working on my Parmesan garlic sauce, or garlic Parmesan sauce, excuse me. And you want to melt your butter. Once your butter is melted, you then want to add your garlic powder. Now the recipe on copycat.com says to melt the butter and the garlic powder together and then put in a bowl and then add your Parmesan cheese. But I decided to add my Parmesan cheese while my butter and garlic is cooking. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm just going to stir that all in. And for some reason, I just felt like I needed a little bit of, more butter because I like sauce. I like a lot of sauce on my wings. So then I added some more butter. Now when your sauce is done, you want to place your wings in a bowl and then proceed to pour your sauce over the wings. After you pour that sauce over the wings, you want to toss it up, toss it up, toss it up. After plating your wings, you then want to sprinkle those wings with some grated Parmesan cheese. And then after that grated Parmesan cheese, a little parsley flakes, just for a little decoration. And once again, we've created a delicious dish. Okay, well, we didn't create it, but we copycat. We did a little copycat. So there you go. Oh my God. So delicious, so beautiful. They are very tender. Now, when you get a chance, visit copycat.com for the full recipe and details. There are so many different recipes on there that I actually want to try. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later.